यार मूवी आ रही है दोस्त, क्या क्रश तो पड़ जाए। मैं रणबीर कपूर एंड राजकुमार राव हुआ, सो उनके साथ मैं बैठ गया हूँ। अब मैं उनसे बातें कर रहा हूँ कि सर आपकी कौन सी फिल्म आ रही है नेक्स्ट। तो ही इज ऑल्सो वेरी काइंड टू टेल मी ओके लेडीज वर्सेस रिकी बेल है, ये है वो है। सो आई एम लाइक ओके सर बॉडी बन रही है आपकी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट आई एम डूइंग, व्हाई एम आई डूइंग दैट। एंड देन लेटर ऑन टू रियली एंड देन 2 days later we meet again during the awards and he's like Naman, yeah, you see this body, and I was like, oh my god, he remembers me. And now I feel, bro, I have done that to him, to Ranveer Singh, and I can't believe the things I've. So Salman sir got to know, and he took me to his farmhouse.
What's up, everyone? We are back again with another episode of Mixed Fruit.
And today we have. You must have seen him, like
Absolutely.
Somewhere, कहीं ना चल रहा होगा बीच में, कहीं नीचे ही कहीं दिख गया होगा.
Yes, we are really happy to have you here.
Thank you so much, man.
This is amazing.
and he's the guy Jhangya from Chiller Party.
As you all know it.
Meme डाल देंगे.
बोले तो बापू इंडिया का वो भाई था जिसने अंग्रेजों की वाट लगा दी थी और इंडिया से तड़ी पार कर दिया था, समझी क्या?
ये हम वो
Yeah, this Abhishek put the meme, please.
Can you like redo that
That's it?
dialogue? Yeah.
बोले तो बापू इंडिया का वो भाई था जिसने अंग्रेजों की वाट लगा दी थी और इंडिया से तड़ी पार कर दिया था, समझी क्या?
That's just amazing.
My teachers were scared of me, you know. Someday if I just stand up in my class and start saying that dialogue, they were scared of me.
They never
इसको
know.
हिस्ट्री से दूर रखो थोड़ा.
But how was it like, मतलब बचपन में you got into all of this and
यार मतलब I till the age of 16 I had no sense of what acting was. It was all, you know, actually fun and games. I used to go and play around on set, and this was my dad's passion for Bollywood that, you know, got me into this, because he used to take me to audition to various places, and then it started so that I gave one audition for Balaji Films where I was meant to do Krishna Bhagwan's role, which I didn't get through, but वहाँ से we got to know that Chiller Party के auditions are going somewhere. So हम लोग वहाँ पे गए, and then we did like 10 rounds of that, shortlisted, got workshops done, and then finally we got selected. So तभी भी we had no idea of how big this is. Like at least for dad he had sense कि okay he's got a film, but I had no clue. I was actually unaware कि what is a film. I mean dad got me here, I thought it's some class or some tuition, and yeah, and I was like, I was just having fun, and the shoot began, no sense of acting, what acting is. You be on the set, the director guides you, you just be yourself, and I was like that. I was that blunt mastikhor bachcha that actually was seen on screen. So that was just me, and I had no acting as per se in that.
You had that slang within you, or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
Like,
So in my older house in Bhaikala, I remember I had this set of friends who used to talk like this.
Okay.
Like we used to live in a society, and right opposite us there was a chawl, and there was this mixed culture where of slangs, where this side of my Marwadi friends used to like converse normally. We had these Mumbai slangs for sure, but that was a typical Tapori side,
Yeah.
the opposite side, where I used to play cricket. There was sledging in Tapori style, and everything used to go on Tapori. So I picked up from that, and
That
you know,
came
as
on
kids,
screen.
you pick up that as you're a kid. So that happened, and then that I implied on the film, and luckily I was a part of it.
amazing.
Yeah,
do you think like Chiller Party, that was the first movie?
that
right?
was my debut film.
That helped you like get everything else after
100%, because I think majorly if we talk about Jai Ho is because of Salman sir being the producer of Chiller Party. He didn't even audition me for Jai Ho. I got a direct call by his associate from the office, and then we met Sohail sir, and then everything just went on. So particularly that, and then later on I did so many films that, you know, were associated with people in Chiller Party. Like I did a Marathi film which was directed by the first AD of Chiller Party. Then I did so many other films where, you know, people were associated to that film. I was working with Anurag sir because he saw Chiller Party, and I did like 3 films with him. So that happened. So yeah, so it was obviously is that kickstart that you get, and then later on it just helps you get everything.
Like, how is the feeling of working with the, like, you know, biggest celebs in Bollywood, like
man.
Salman?
Like earlier, I remember the first time I met Salman sir, okay, it was so like I still feel मैंने कैसे कर दिया यार ऐसे, why did I do that? So he came on set and he had these ripped jeans का this on him, so फटा हुआ था, और बच्चों को क्या पता फैशन क्या होता है, तो सब जा रहे I noticed that and my जादुई दिमाग thought I should ask him why is that tone. So I went to him and I was like, sir यार आपके पास इतने पैसे आप क्यों फटे हुए पैंट पहनते हो? And he burst out laughing. He was like, कौन है बच्चा? And my mom is there, she's looking at me like this, what are you saying, why are you saying this? And I was like, sorry, whatever. And then he laughed, he kissed me, and he's just a genuine sweetheart. Like you see Salman sir and you're like, he is such a big star, but you will not feel that with him. He will make you feel like family, like a friend, like so comfortable. And that was, I think, the case with most of these big celebrities. Like I've never come across any celebrity who, you know, didn't welcome me as much, or who didn't make me comfortable intentionally. Like they would come to you and be like, hey, oh, how are you? You had lunch? You want to play something? You want to hang around? So they make you comfortable, and then you're like, okay. Then earlier I didn't realize, you know, how big a star they are, because then you feel that okay, they are your co-actors but also friends. So like I remember with Ayushmann sir when I did Hawai Zada. So randomly, he used to take me to his vanity and we used to watch IPL together. Or he used to tell me, "Kal bat leke aana, we'll play cricket outside the vanity." So we used to play cricket. So it was all of that, like literally all of that. And then how can you even think that, you know, they are that big stars? It's just that they're so friendly. But now in retrospect,
Crazy.
Bro, like I have worked with like insane actors, and it's such a reality check, bro. Like I'm so grateful that I got to work with them. I got such a huge chance, and I'm only thankful.
Since you mentioned you have worked with a lot of like big stars and celebs, like one actor you really look up to or you think is your role model?
Actually, there are two. I really admire Ranbir Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao's work. Like I recently saw Shrikant, and I was like, bhai kaise
It's out yet?
Yeah, it's out in the theaters and it's doing good. And bro, I mean, you know, you see such actors, and then even on your off days you're like, look at them. Like the day, you know, you get any approval or validation from them that okay, you're a good actor, that will be the biggest day of my life. So I always get motivated by these people, and you know, seeing their work, it's just fascinating. So these two people I really admire.
You have already worked with Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah, I have with both. I have already.
Ranbir
Yeah,
Kapoor as
Ranbir
well.
sir, that tie face, वो end में चिल्लर पार्टी के तेरी टाई टाई, उसमें रणबीर कपूर थे, तो मैं उनको तब मिला था. एंड देन राज सर के साथ आई डिड छलांग. तो ये दोनों के साथ हो, अब मैं वापस डेफिनेटली करना चाहता हूँ. तो
Did you do something else apart from acting in the like on set?
No, bro. Like
you want to?
I want to direct. I have a keen interest in filmmaking. I like to write a lot. You know, ये ट्रेन वेन में जाते हैं, गाड़ी में जाते हैं, आइडियाज बंद ही नहीं होते दिमाग में. तो I just have a habit of, you know, writing it on my phone, on my notes का this. So I keep writing ideas, and I'm very lazy to finish any story. Like I have all the stories in my head, even jot down, like points are jotted down, but I can't finish the story. So I'm a little lazy and indisciplined in that. So I want to do that.
I can relate to that.
Yeah, I want to finish that. So yeah, that's one thing I really love, like writing and maybe filmmaking. But anything I do in life will definitely be from this industry, because I've literally grown in this industry. I've spent my entire childhood on sets, and I think that's all I can do. That's all I can imagine I can be.
Like you must be having very fun stories around sets as well.
Oh man,
With the
endless,
actors
yeah.
and like,
endless.
Tell us the one crazy story you had with someone or you did on set.
ज़्यादा मस्ती हो गई उसमें.
Yeah.
अरे बहुत
तो
यार,
भाई-
हम तो मतलब चिल्लर पार्टी में तो we were like a chaos, we were tornado, all of us. हम लोग आते थे ना साथ में, हम लोग को एक तो कंट्रोल करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. डायरेक्टर्स एंड आई थिंक द टीम यूज्ड टू बी हैप्पी कि एक सिंगल सीन है तो ड्रामा नहीं होगा. व्हेन इट्स अ कलेक्टिव सीन, ओ भाई, आई रिमेंबर इन द होटल दैट वी वर स्टेइंग, वी हैड वो चड्डी मार्च वाला सीक्वेंस कमिंग अप. So somehow someone suggested let's rehearse it, let's do something about it. हमने चड्डी पहनी और हम पूरे होटल में मार्च कर रहे हैं, ऊपर से नीचे लोगों की घंटियां बजा के, और भाग रहे बस भागे ही जा रहे हैं. और ये क्यों कर रहे हैं हम, हमें पता ही नहीं. और फिर हमको अगले दिन ऑब्वियसली डांट पड़ी है. अरे और आई रिमेंबर वी वेंट टू कैनेडा फॉर आईफा अवार्ड्स टू प्रमोट चिल्लर पार्टी. तो इन द फ्लाइट वी मेट रणवीर सिंह, एंड ही वाज आई थिंक ओनली 2 films old then. सो हम लोग तो यार, अब हम तो दिमाग के बिना ही थे तब, तो हम तो मस्ती कर रहे थे हमारी, हम फ्लाइट में बिजनेस क्लास से इकोनॉमी में भागे जा रहे एंड देन वी बम्प्ड इनटू हिम. सो उनके साथ मैं बैठ गया हूँ, अब मैं उनसे बातें कर रहा हूँ कि सर आपकी कौन सी फिल्म आ रही है नेक्स्ट. तो ही इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी काइंड टू टेल मी ओके लेडीज वर्सेस रिकी बेल है, ये है वो है. So I'm like, okay sir, body बन रही है आपकी and all of that I'm doing. Why am I doing that? And then later on, really, and then 2 days later we meet again during the awards and he's like, Naman, yeah, you see this body, and I was like, oh my god, he remembers me. And now I feel, bro, I have done that to him, to Ranveer Singh, and I can't believe the things I've done. Because on Jai Ho also, when we were shooting and it was my birthday, so Salman sir got to know and he took me to his farmhouse. So there were these dirt bikes wahan pe, and he told me, ja chala, koi problem nahi hai. So I was doing all of that, I may have fell or whatever, and then later on he kind of knew that I love bhindi ki sabzi a lot. So he had bhindi made for me and he came.
That's so sweet.
And the cutie pie that he is, he had papad with us because he was on a diet. So he was really helping mom, dad, me and my little sister take rotis and everything, and he was having papad, and that's just who these people are. So it's always fun. It's like I genuinely don't remember a dull day or a sad day during my childhood days, like genuinely no such day.
Was there something like as a school mein there was difference after the movie came out, like
Oh
cinema?
no, I actually expected that to happen. कि you know, अब हाँ यार मूवी आ रही है, दोस्त क्या क्रश तो पड़ जाएगी ब्रो, अब तो मूवी आ रही है ना यार. पर यार nobody gave a shit and they actually bullied me for the poster. If you see the poster, उसमें मैं इतनी बड़ी चड्डी पहन रहा हूँ डैड की और मैं ऐसे चिल्ला रहा हूँ वो पोस्टर में. And my parents were very supportive and they had pamphlets distributed in the school
That's
as a
wonderful.
promotion thing. एंड मैं देख रहा हूँ भेलपुरी वाले अंकल मुझे बता रहे हैं ये क्या है, उसमें ही भेल मिल रहा है. और लोग मेरी मतलब उड़ा रहे बस में आके कि अरे यार तू क्या है चड्डी में घूम रहा है यार हट. मैं बोला यार, मैं घर गया मम्मी को बोला यार ये तो पूरा उल्टा हो गया. मतलब मैं सोच रहा था कि पीपल माइट लाइक मी मोर, माई एनिमीज माइट टर्न इनटू माई फ्रेंड्स एंड व्हाटएवर, बट नथिंग हैपेंड यार. एंड इवन द टीचर्स started saying कि you know so they loved the film and they were very appreciative of it, but one fine day one comes and वो साइड में लेके आते हैं, अरे सही है कौन सी चड्डी पहने है, पापा की तेरी किसकी अरे मेरी है मैम मेरी है. एंड दीज थिंग्स आर इनसेन बट दैट आल्सो कीप्स यू ग्राउंडेड यार. आई फील if your friends start taking you seriously, you're not their friend anymore.
Exactly.
And that's what I'm grateful for कि मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने घंटा सीरियसली नहीं लिया मुझे. तो
that is
that is the best part. I think that's why I am still the way I am and nothing has changed about it.
Because matlab, after anyone would have accomplished something
Yeah,
that you
yeah.
have,
Yeah, it
like
happens,
meeting
it
such
happens.
people
Fair,
casually
fair.
and all of that.
True.
हवा में तो सब उड़ेंगे यार, मतलब it's
Exactly.
normal.
हाँ.
At that age also.
राइट पर मुझे
But
उड़ने ही नहीं
yeah.
दिया किसी
हाँ,
ने.
सही
एक
है,
दोस्त ने
बढ़िया हुआ bro.
एक्चुअली बेस्ट हुआ. और वो अगर उल्टा होता ना, वाइस वर्सा होता ना कि उड़ने दे दिया होता, तो शायद मैं आज पता नहीं कुछ और ही होता, मे बी आई डोंट नो. बट आई थिंक आई एम ऑन द राइट पाथ बिकॉज ऑफ देम. एंड बी इट स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, फैमिलीज, कजिन्स. ब्रो कजिन्स तो मतलब दे आर द वर्स्ट क्रिटिक है. दे मतलब वो चड्डी उतार देते हैं ब्रो. लाइक आई माय क्लोजेस्ट कजिन्स they don't hesitate. Like I went out recently with them and there were like few sweet fans that came up to me and they clicked pictures and then we went off. And now these people had to play a prank, so they started pretending like my bodyguards, bro. They're like chalo sir chalo and they're like you know human chain bana ke chal raha. I'm like guys shut up, mat karo yaar ye sab yaar.
But that is, I feel, matlab, I feel about cousins,
Yeah.
they would give you the purest and
Yes.
truest
100%.
like response.
100%. I told my uncle that you know I'm doing this action film, I'm so excited about it, and then he looks at me, he's like, look at your lean body and you'll do an action film. No, not your cup of tea. I'm like यार मेरे को कोई congratulate नहीं कर रहा, या तो मेरी उड़ाए जा रहे हैं यार. But that's good यार. I feel this needs to happen.
Yeah.
Because I want people to tell the truth to me. I don't want yes men and I don't want people.
Do you have them? Yes, man.
Not
No.
really. I really don't think I have. Like my closest people, they really tell me what is wrong.
That is really, matlab,
Yeah,
a
like,
blessing, I would
and
say.
I really have zero yes men in my life. the only, you know, reality check I get with all these people is that where I am wrong. That's all I get to know, and only that can improve me as an actor, as a person, and that really helps me a lot, genuinely. And I'm obviously very thankful to them. So thank you guys for being honest.
But do you think, like, since you were a child actor, पर तब और अब की opportunities में काफी difference है?
Yeah. See, opportunities में आता है. You grow, obviously, your age bracket, you know, shakes a little. You're 8 to 10, you're 10 to 12. I'm still 22, but I might be playing 18 because of my screen age. So it actually differs with the age that you look, and obviously with the experience that you get. Like, I have 15 to 14 years of experience. So with that also it helps a lot. Like, for I think a few directors, there is a little bit confidence that, you know, I won't mess up in some things. Like, I still know how to do things, and that helps. That really is, because that comes with experience. I feel like that is a perk of it, that, you know, you work for so long and then people start trusting you, they believe you, and then they won't hesitate in investing in you. So I feel that's the best part about it, and I think opportunities are pretty much equal. With regardless of me being 14 years older to this industry or someone who's as new as today, I think the opportunities can be equal if one is talented, and I feel that is the case right now with OTT especially, where people get to work, bro. Like, any person of any age, of any background, of anywhere can work, and only on one basis, that's talent. And I feel it's good, bro. Like, that should happen. That is definitely needed. Like, talent shouldn't be hidden.
What did you do with the early money that you got?
Bro, this is the one question family, building people, society, as you term it, they ask me, how much do you have? Where is all of it? What do you do about it? And the Marwadi that I am, I don't know. I really don't know how much I have. And I think my parents are pretty much aware of, you know, why they shouldn't tell me that how much I have, or why they should keep me away. See, I have never had any problem of, you know, asking anything and not getting. Like, my parents have always kept this clear, okay, you have the money, it's yours. We will give it to you when you need it for investing in something or whatever. But just don't ask for it. Like, we have it. We are taking care of it, and since childhood they've done the same. So there have been people, you know, who try to catch me off guard, okay, tell me, how much do you have? What do you have? I said, until date, I genuinely don't know how much I have, because they always hid it from me. And that's the best part about it, that I don't know how much I have. So consciously, I'm not worrying about, oh, I have this much, so I have to aim for that much, and then I have to spend this much, that much. नहीं, वो सब अभी नहीं, वो सब देखेंगे यार बाद में. अब तो क्या ही करूँ मैं ये सब सोच के. So my dad and mom have always helped me financially that way, that they take care of my money, contracts and everything. They take care of it.
They manage it as well?
Yeah, my mom is my manager since I was 6. So
okay.
She's been managing me ever since, and there's a little joke running in the house where, you know, my mom goes like, I have heard that management business has a lot of money. Now, what about we have some percentage cut between your this money? So I was like, I have no problem. It's always anyways yours. Ask dad. I don't know. Ask him.
Well, actually, that's a very fresh way to do things.
Yeah, and you know, like, your mom is your manager is such a cool thing. Like, I feel
Kanye's mom was his manager.
Yeah. See, imagine, and I'm like, dates hai, kuch bhi hai, mom handles it, and, you know, there's some issue on set, mom handles it, and it's still the mother-son relationship that goes on work-wise also. So she's handling it totally. Like, I have nothing to do with it. I just audition, give my measurements, trials, this, that, and go on, shoot and work. Rest, everything is handled by my mom and dad.
You don't even know what you are getting out of it and
nothing, zero. I only sign because earlier pre-18 I wasn't allowed to sign. Now I'm allowed to sign, so I just sign, and that's it. That's all about it. That's all I do.
That's such a like.
That's
cool
such a.
way. You
I'm
don't
eased out. I have no problem.
actually.
And it's not even like, you know, कि कोई बाहर का है तो trust issues है. भाई तो घर के है यार. तो ये तो मतलब best चीज हो गई मेरे लिए. तो बचपन से ही best है. And I've always told her, no matter how big I get, you be my manager. Like, that's the lucky charm, bro. Who knows? That's actually my mom is my lucky charm. Because of her, I'm getting so much work. So.
You went to college also, right?
Yeah, I was in HR college, Churchgate.
Yeah.
What you studied?
What?
BMM, mass media.
Mass media.
Yeah.
Like, but still you were into acting.
Yeah, I was into acting big time. I used to be excited with the projects that we used to get in college. कि अच्छा फिल्म बनानी है, टॉपिक कवर करना है, एक्टिंग कौन करेगा, मैं करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे आती है. तो एंड दे माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो यूज्ड टू यू नो बी लाइक हाँ इसको ही कराते हैं, अपन लिख लेंगे, बना देंगे, ये कर लेगा. So they used to shoot me and we used to present these projects. So yeah, it was fun यार. College was damn fun, but I regret one thing कि COVID ने मेरा college life थोड़ा वो कर दिया. Because first year में ही गया मैं सिर्फ college and then later on it was all online man. So I missed out on my peak college days, but क्या करें अब.
Life.
Did COVID affect any like your like
Opportunities towards acting?
No, I don't think so. So people were inside, they weren't working. Whatever was going on outside was already pre-planned. Like people were casted, there was a bubble, selective people used to come on set. So I think that was it. I didn't lose anything as such. No, I didn't lose.
But is there something like COVID came up? So and in the acting industry also, I feel like I also want to make movies.
Okay.
I'm a director. I do like film.
Do cast me, man.
Bro, let's make something together. It's like there are like to explain it to the people who are just entering into this industry.
Yeah.
It's like there is some uncertainty in the field also.
Yeah.
Quite a lot actually.
Yeah, fair.
You have to audition. You have to like.
I'm still auditioning.
Exactly. After doing all of that, you're still auditioning.
Yeah.
So how do you become someone who doesn't have to go through all of that? Is there a phase after that? ऐसा नहीं करना
Like you
पड़ेगा?
got
I
direct
think-
call from Salman Khan for Jai Ho.
Yeah.
Like-
So there are these things that happen. Then where, as I spoke about this earlier, the trust comes in where they know the caliber, they know the talent, they know what you can pull off and what you can't. So I think at that point when you have that certain place that you've made for yourself, you won't have to audition. And I think the beauty of auditioning again and again is that you try to, you know, get into every role. Like I audition for various things. Like I'm doing a negative, a positive, antagonist, protagonist, whatever. So in a way, when I'm auditioning and not working, it's actually me rehearsing at home.
Practice.
It's actually me practicing. And that's how I've always looked at it. And I feel the right auditions happen at the right time and you get selected also at the right time. So I feel there is this uncertainty where, you know, you might or might not get, regardless of whatever, maybe talent, looks, whatever it is, one never knows. It's the casting call or the director's call. So uncertainty to hoti hai. I think even now when such big films are made and, you know, sometimes they get shelved or the actor gets replaced. So even with big actors, it's a thing. The uncertainty, as we talk about, is a thing that will happen even though you have that place or stature in the industry. That will happen for sure. And nobody can take away one fact from you, that whatever is written for you will happen for you. And I always feel that, you know, auditioning, keep trying, keep hustling, and you will end up somewhere. Like every audition comes to you for a reason. They send it to you for a reason. And I think that's about it. That's how you look at it. And you have to struggle in any field. Be it, like I believe if I'm a businessman, I start up a business. I won't reach 100 crores in day one. So I have to hustle a lot. I have to meet so many people. I have to try and fail. So that's how acting works. And comparing acting and any other industry is actually very pointless, because with acting you have
Subjective,
15 now you have 15 other options for the same role. There's so much competition and you can't actually compare. So I think it's that. It's the uncertainty in this industry is for sure there. But you will make it someday for sure if you keep trying. That's what
You
I believe.
mentioned about looks, right?
Yeah.
Like, do you think if there's a role and there's a person who is like good with looks, but there's someone who is average with looks, there's a higher chance of that good look person to actually get selected?
It depends on the character. Like I feel even if a person is damn good looking, but you know the role is very impactful.
Exactly.
The role, the character demands something. There's acting required in it, and there is an average person who actually can act better than him. So that's why they audition to compare.
Yeah.
And then obviously the choice will be made. But I think it happens. It's obviously there. Like looks doesn't matter, not now for sure, because we see. I feel there are real characters more spoken about than you know illusion characters or
totally.
fantasy
Absolutely,
characters. There are real stories being said.
People
So-
feel more connected. I
Yeah,
think,
exactly. With a common face, with a natural looking person, and not a like I'm not stealing away from the fact that you're good looking. You are good looking and you will get work.
But what the role demands.
Yeah, however the role is, like it actually depends on that. It's actually like that.
But as you said, you feel that things are written for you.
Yeah.
Do you believe in that though?
Yeah, big time.
Things
I
are
always
written for
believe,
you.
bro. Like since the age of 6, a person who has no background in the industry, nobody in my family, even thinks about acting. I don't think none of them would have done a play also. And I end up here and I do so well and make my parents so proud. It's a thing that's written. It's the stars that speak, I feel. And I always believe that why I'm here is because there's a reason for me to go ahead. Like here, exactly here. I must have, had a phase, like I remember 16, 18, when people were asking me, are you serious about this? Because it was a pattern, technically, I was following from 6 to 16 that I'm going to shoot. It was not work for me till 16. Till 16, it was games, I told you. Like, I used to have a lot of fun just being on set because I've grown up there. So, I used to feel कि ठीक है चलो 16 तक तो I'm doing only, but वो work नहीं है. Now, after 16, I started realizing, okay, I have to be serious, I have to think, okay, is this something I do till I die? Or is it over? Like, is it done? I had that thought. I spoke about this. We had like close room conversations with my parents also and with mentors, with Nitesh sir, with Nitesh Tiwari, who directed me in the first film. We met him and I was really, in that boat where sink or sail. So I don't know, man. I don't know how everything just happened. And I really feel there's a pattern, there's something written. And I should follow this, and I have always followed it. So I must have had this thought of diverting, but I didn't divert. And now that I'm here, I am so sure that something bigger or better is coming.
So, like, you think you will pursue acting
110%.
for life?
I am not the person who, has 100 things. Okay, ye karna hai, wo karna hai, acha wo bhi karna nahi. I am very focused. I have this one thing that I have to do it. And if just for the the sheer passion my dad has, like you always want to make your parents proud, and my dad loves this industry. He has been believing ever since he put me in this industry. So somewhere it is also for him, for my parents, and I always feel that I have adapted so much that I want to give it back. Like since 16 years I've only been adapting on set. Sab seekha hai, sab andar hai, and I want to get it out. Like I want more opportunities. I'm hungry for it. So that hunger, I don't think that hunger will ever die.
For you, what will be like one dream role for you? Like, agar this is somewhere a movie and this is the role I want to do in it. Like what kind of role it is? Is it a romantic role? It's like action film?
Everything, yaar. I want a film to have everything.
Everything.
Like, I saw Spider-Man, No Way Home, and it had everything. It had.
And you wanted to be Spider-Man?
Bro, I am the like. I don't know if I've mentioned it enough, but I am manifesting Spider-Man for myself every day.
We'll do it together.
I want to do Spider-Man, bro, and I want to be Pavitra Prabhakar. Yeah. I want to be Pavitra Prabhakar, bro, Indian Spider-Man. I just love Spider-Man. Just see, I feel that every film should have every emotion.
Absolutely.
Because I love comedy, and I want every film to have comedy because it's such a delight to just laugh. Like I saw Madgaon Express, and I was senselessly laughing.
Fun, bro.
And I was senselessly laughing, and I really saw the theater after a long time actually enjoying all of the jokes. I was. There were these few scenes in some movies where people used to laugh, but throughout the film, no, bro, I didn't.
Every joke landed.
Every fucking joke landed. So that was damn good, bro. And I think that's what the thing is कि मेरे को हर एक emotion एक film में चाहिए. गुस्सा, anger, action, emotional track with some funny stuff. So I want a film where people just love it, and I want a film that is endlessly rewatchable. For example, Chiller Party, or
absolutely.
As People See, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, or Three Idiots. Or
Even Madgaon Express.
Even Madgaon Express now.
I can watch it 3 to 4 times.
You can watch it anytime, especially with friends. So I want to make one film that people are like a classic cult. Like people come and they're like, आज क्या कर रहे हैं रात को? अच्छा चल ये film देखते हैं. This film makes us feel light.
Chiller Party somewhere is around that.
Yeah. 100% because it's yeah.
हमारे चाइल्डहुड का मतलब आई फील एक काफी पीक मूवी होगा वो 100%.
100%.
मैं बता रहा था अभी इनको
उसमें एक वो सीन है ना वो पॉटी वाला.
हाँ वो फेक पॉटी बनाते हैं. ओ यार वो तो हम शूट कर रहे थे, मेरे को तो देख के लग रहा था सच की पॉटी है यार. मतलब वो क्या थॉट था यार. लाइक आई रियली सैल्यूट द राइटर्स ब्रो. क्या थॉट है ब्रो पूरी फिल्म का.
यार मतलब एकदम अगर कोई लिख भी रहा है अबाउट दैट ही रियली हैज टू बी ऑफ दैट एज फर्स्ट, मेंटल एज वहां लेके जानी पड़ेगी.
एंड आई ऑलवेज feel that film is so fresh even now कि वो I'm telling you regardless of me being in the film or no it would still be my favorite film because it's such a funny film and it's such a good film. तो वो बहुत मजा है यार मेरे को मतलब करके. I still feel I've done over like 23-24 films but that film is still my most favorite film to do because I have faint memories of it but the best time and I think my personal best acting was in that film. I still feel.
Do you feel something like that will come in the future as well for you?
Like a chiller party?
Like a chiller party from like your version today?
I would love to do it. I mean,
like chiller party but now adult version.
Yeah. अरे
बड़े हो गए.
बड़े हो गए.
पैसा बड़े हो गए.
My DMs and comment section is always flooded with that कि करो अब क्यों बड़े हो गए. People tell me क्यों बड़े हो गए.
Do you feel that way though?
Do you like regret?
I mean मैं कैसे एज को रोकूं यार. तो हो गया बड़ा.
Still you do you feel यार कि
no तो मेरे को ये चेंज करना है. तब मेरे को वो चेंज करना है कि people used to think कि people still think कि बचपन में acting ये वो. So I want to make something so similar to Chiller Party or something as good as Chiller Party that people again resonate with me with this film that I'm doing currently and I want to win them back for it. I'm so sure they love me but for Chiller Party there's a separate love like there's just Jhangya and people. It's that. So I want to keep making more stuff that people love. So that's what I want to do.
So like if not acting what would have you been done?
Any Indian's dream bro. Cricket.
You like cricket?
I love.
Who's your favorite player?
Come on, yaar. Ben Stokes. I mean,
it's Virat Kohli.
It's Virat Kohli. Yeah. Also Ben Stokes, but Virat Kohli. Dude, I am telling you, I am the biggest cricket freak alive. Like my dad and I, we have conversations announcement of the squad. Who's gonna be the top 15? We make our list. Whoever wins gets to win the bet and can ask for whatever. We have our 4 predictions out ready for the World Cup. Who are gonna make it to the qualifiers? I'll have to see that. See, I am vouching for India, but obviously,
of course, India will qualify.
India, I feel West Indies might just come in. Like they will just come in.
Okay.
Australia,
of course,
I have to say that, and England. I feel these 4 are my prominent 4s for the.
Not New Zealand.
See, New Zealand now, I feel.
Not South Africa.
No. So there's Klassen, ये सब तो है. I give you that. But यार, you see T20 as an overall team.
Yeah.
I feel England, the English side and the Australian side is full. Like I don't see an empty spot. I don't see any.
Australian side is the most craziest side.
I think if they win this World Cup ना, I will be like अपन उनके लिए charity के लिए खेलते क्या यार. हर World Cup वो लोग जीत जाते हैं. They won the WTC final. I was watching the test the other day.
Oh, they
Amazon
won that.
Prime वाला. यार उसमें उन्होंने WTC cover किया. I was feeling so bad यार. ये लोग इंडिया के सामने क्यों ऐसे? And that Travis Head bro, why does he play during these important matches? Just relax for one match. Just calm down for one match. But
Pat Cummins, he like people to go silent.
Oh my god, dude. But Shah Rukh Khan gave him back. So yeah, I'm a KKR fan. Big
You're a KKR fan?
KKR and RCB, both of them.
RCB,
Yeah, bro.
let's
has
go.
To be. फिर दिल टूटा है, but ठीक है, हम qualify जो हुआ है, I think that was anything.
That was the final.
Yeah, that was anything bigger than a cup. बट है ब्रो, क्रिकेट तो खून में है यार. मैं इतना क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. मैं बिल्डिंग में मेरे बिल्डिंग फ्रेंड्स के साथ वी हैव दिस 9 to 11 थिंग वेयर वी जस्ट प्ले एंड इट्स कम्पिटिटिव. इट्स नॉट लाइक खेल दिया. इट्स द स्लेजिंग इज ऑन, देयर आर फाइट्स एंड अरे फुल ब्रो, यू नो आइडिया. लाइक इतना गाली गलोच भाई. सो पीपल लिव ना, मतलब पोडियम पे हो, पीपल लिव ऊपर एंड देयर आर सम फ्रेंड्स हु लिव ऑन the 5th or the 6th floor. They can hear it in HD, like all the abuses in HD, bro. I don't want my parents to ever come down while I'm playing because I rile up and how like मैं out हुआ तो I'll be angry.
need to play a match.
We have to.
Yeah.
We have to.
I'm
Let's
from Delhi and imagine when I play.
Oh my God! You are a you must be the scary one on the pitch. कि इससे नहीं लेते पंगा बाकी को. But that's why Virat Kohli. I think we should do a separate episode for Virat Kohli because I'm such a big fan.
Absolutely.
He's like my poster in the cupboard. My pre-workout, I have a separate fake account, like a second account, just so that I get those savage edit reels of Virat Kohli.
Oh God.
And
have seen that?
I will
You have
show
seen-
it to you, dude. I am
Bro,
not joking.
same. I've already saved like hundreds
Dude,
and more edits of
it's my
Virat
pre-workout.
Kohli.
I work out seeing these things, bro. Him and Ronaldo, it's just them. See, look, Haaland pops up.
Yeah.
Then these people.
Smith.
So I'm always watching. See, look at him. Just look at him, guys. I mean,
Simping.
I'm so happy that there are people
I want to
like
meet him,
me,
yaar.
जो
someday.
भाई
You know, I
will, bro.
felt so
You
bad.
will.
I felt so bad that I lost one boost ka ad that I was gonna do with him. Bro, I felt so bad that day. I was like, Virat Kohli ke saath. I really want to work with Virat Kohli once. Just an ad or, you know, I feel I will break down when I see him because he's such a big inspiration for me, man. I literally.
For so many people in India, man. Matlab,
I agree, and I always feel it's somehow, somewhere the India-Pakistan match, the earlier one, that changed
Shot of
everything.
the century.
Yeah, I think that really changed everything for him and for his fans. I think that actually peaked it.
Yeah.
Like that actually kept it there. Ke, okay, we have the one GOAT, and that's Virat Kohli.
The king was born
Yeah,
that day.
he got his crown then.
उससे पहले there was like opinions.
Yeah, I mean, there
But
was
uske baad it was
debate
clear.
and
Yeah.
but it was clear because the criticism that was there before that, they were saying the out of form Virat
Yeah.
Kohli, whatever.
Low
And then
strike
coming
rate.
out with that, I mean, that's the end of the conversation.
Have you
Like,
seen those edits जिसमें वो बोलता है troll him here, beg him there?
Yeah, that happened. So they were doing RCB के लिए RCB and all of that. So that was the one reel I saw. Okay, इधर troll करो
And beg him
और
back.
वहाँ पे World Cup के time you'll beg him. So yeah, that's a fact. And
उसके
I
पीछे
feel-
full ऐसे rap चल रहा होता है Instagram
अरे
पे
अरे
करे
full
क्या
all
है,
these
बहुत
edits.
बात।
I love these edits, man.
Same, same.
You will see so many of them liked by me. I don't hesitate. I like it. I love his reels, bro.
do you feel social media pe, like as you said, you have a fake account also, and like the main
You
account.
know why I have? Because I have two separate this mindset. See, on my account, on Naman's account, there are funny, absurd reels. Like वो अपने यार क्या बोलते हैं उसको
Tier 3.
निब्बा निब्बी and all of that.
गंजी चुड़ैल।
गंजी चुड़ैल. I love those memes, bro. I laugh so
You've
much.
seen वो AI वाला
Hey,
बच्चे
Modi
का-
ji and all of that.
बच्चे का रूम
बच्चे
छोटा
वो
सा है।
architecture वाला.
Oh yes,
Bro,
obviously,
that is fucking
obviously,
hilarious, bro.
dude. That is वो architecture तोड़ के.
हाँ.
So,
आपके
I saw
बेटे यहाँ पे
उसको-
सोएगा.
नहीं, I saw this yesterday only, where the girl wanted to do makeup और उसको he was doing potty वहाँ पे, तो उसको बोला कि बाहर आओ, and then she kicks him out, and then they break the entire bathroom into two parts. वहाँ पे drawer लगेगा, ये लगेगा, तो मेकअप में वो भी रेडी हो सकते हैं और वो भी पॉटी कर सकता है. Bro, कुछ भी बनाते हैं यार, मतलब,
Dude, it is like
and it's
a format.
trippy. I know
Yeah,
why
it's
it's trippy,
very
bro.
fun to watch,
It's so funny.
And someone's putting a lot of effort to do that.
110%.
Like
It's
it takes
a
time,
proper
bro.
thing.
It's a
3D
creative
art.
thing, bro.
Yeah.
Like people might have scripts of this. They're like, आज लिख रहे बैठते क्या लिख रहे? अच्छा,
And plus the-
ये potty scene लिखते हैं, bro.
Voice they use.
Oh,
बच्चा का घर 2 फीट का
भाई,
है।
भाई।
AI ही आवाज है वो.
AI की आवाज है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
absolutely.
I love the song singing of Virat Kohli, मैंने रोया and all of that.
AI वाला.
हाँ, AI वाला. वो
मोदी जी का वो-
मोदी जी, अनुव जैन कहीं आ जाता है, and then all of these people का एक verse होता है. It's fun, bro. Time pass है. Reels is actual time pass, bro.
Yeah, but it wastes a lot of time, I feel.
I don't stop scrolling. Like there's a peak time from 2 to 4 where post lunch I'm not doing anything, so I just keep scrolling. I keep scrolling and I don't know why I keep scrolling. I have no intention of scrolling, but I still keep scrolling.
That's the motive of the app,
Yeah.
to keep you on that.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
But that was TikTok earlier.
Yeah. You know, Vine came like, it was way ahead of its time. Like you know Vine?
No.
So Vine was basically a similar app like TikTok.
Okay.
It was, so you could upload just 6-second videos
Okay,
there.
okay.
And you know Logan Paul,
Yeah.
King Batch,
These people.
all of those people popped up from Vine.
Oh, right. I now get it.
It shut down
Correct,
because
correct.
there was no monetization
Uh-huh.
but it was way ahead of its time.
Correct,
bro.
correct. Understood now. Yeah, bro. But थोड़े content actually bro क्या बनाते हैं यार लोग. Like I really respect them यार. क्या thought process आता है यार कभी-कभी. बहुत मजा आता है देख के.
But do you feel like ऐसे like have you done any short films?
A lot of them. I've done I think 7 to 8 short films.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like in a particular niche?
Not really. Like I did 2 award-winning ones. For one I won Dada Saheb Phalke Award as the best child actor, and the other went to Australia for a film festival, and they won there. So and some are on YouTube, some is on Hotstar. So it's not a niche thing, but so I did one for Systematic Investment Plan with Amol Gupte, and that was something, you know, that I still get people to, you know, I get to hear this from people that film is shown them in the colleges and financial schools and all of that, because it's such a funnily said story about saving money and how systematic investment plan works. It's about that, and it's shown in the schools as a lesson. So I get snaps of that on my DM and all of that. So that's insane, bro.
Do you feel like short film ka there is market? If someone wants to win an award in a short film,
Yeah.
as you have done quite a bit,
Yeah.
so do you think there's a pattern to it?
Obviously there is, but the one pattern and the one word pattern is story. Like,
Yeah, bro.
it
100%.
has to be hard hitting. There can't be a story where, you know, you just make it, like you make it for the sake of it. You have to believe in it. You have to believe it will hit. And obviously with anyone who makes a story, they believe, there is belief, that's why they do it. But it doesn't work out sometimes. But the ones that do, then you see the results. So I feel a lot of practice, like I think I saw an interview of Karan Johar where he said that you know, you are not a director or a filmmaker if you just, you know, come ऐसे कि okay ठीक है मैं बना दूंगा. You have to see films across regions and world. You are not going to compare के ठीक है मैंने इसका काम देखा है, उसका काम देखा है, स्कॉर्सेसी का काम देखा है, नोलन का काम देखा है, तो आ गया भाई अपने को, अपन तो बना देंगे. You are, especially in India, you have to see Bengali films, Malayalam films, Telugu films, Tamil films to understand what happens. Because you are not serving Mumbai, you are serving India.
Yeah.
You are serving countrywide. तो तुम समझोगे, you see more, you understand more, and I want to adapt that. Like I want to see a lot of films. I don't see a lot of films, so I want to do that, and that's what I think will help.
Any French film have you seen? Any
No,
French
none.
film? So have you seen any like Bahar ki movies apart from
I've
like
seen,
the
so
Hollywood?
I've been to 2-3 film festivals myself. So I saw वहाँ पे a few films. I don't remember the names obviously now, but I have seen. It's not like I haven't. I have seen, but again, I want to make it a habit. Like I want, because it only inspires you.
I mean, it's a fresh perspective
Yeah,
that you get.
yeah. I mean,
Like, ऐसा
because
भी
you
तो हो
don't know
सकता है.
exactly कि languages में भी तो ऐसा हो सकता है. Now I feel there was a wave of Gujarati cinema a few years back
Yes,
when
yes,
Chillu
yes.
there was and
Chillu
all
was,
of all of that had come out. Then Marathi cinema cause of this one Zingat.
Yeah.
South Abhi is
South
popping
Abhi is
really
speaking.
South is speaking now.
Is the camera rolling? Okay.
So I think you see all these regional films and you understand how filmmaking works and how, you know, cross countries and cross regions you can operate and you can actually, you know, hit them.
What is like the best movie you've ever watched?
Best movie I've seen. Yeah.
Like this is peak of cinema. Like acting, from writing to acting to directing, everything is just.
And एक बताना I feel is
Yeah,
Like,
actually.
still what you feel. ऐसे चलो एक नहीं दो.
मैं ना बहुत डम हूँ, like in terms of that. तुम लोगों को पता है मैं क्यों डम हूँ? Like I obviously appreciate a lot of films, but my go-to films are comedy films.
It makes
For
sense.
me,
Makes sense, yeah.
For me,
Light-hearted.
Grown-ups,
right.
Kevin Hart films.
Yeah, bro, Kevin Hart.
Some of, you know, these old films like The 40-Year-Old Virgin, Jim Carrey films. And bro, these films, and I got addicted to this show of Will Smith, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. You know, I love madcap comedy. And for me, that is the best acting, I feel. Because you can't make people laugh on everything you say.
Yeah.
And I don't know if, that's why I said, I don't know if I am that dumb or I am so stupid that I laugh at everything. कि उसने बोला and I just laugh.
Have you
Because
seen The Office?
No, I have seen a little bit of it. I
You
want
need to go full throttle.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, I
Not the
have
first
to-
season.
yeah,
Don't
that-
judge
that-
it from
that
the
I've
first
heard,
season.
That I've got from a lot of friends. I've seen. So that's what I'm saying. My genre is different. I've seen the 70s show. That 70s show. That is my favorite. I've seen this Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Will Smith was my age when he did that. So all of these things I love. Like I love watching dumb, crazy
Dumb and
comedies.
Dumber.
Yeah, bro.
Hangover.
Obviously, that is
The
the one.
most-
That is what I've seen. I love such films, bro. Like, and for me, Todd Phillips, from there to Joker.
Yeah.
I mean, bro, how can you do that?
Joker
Like,
2, bhai.
So I get inspired by people shifting from genres also. Like that's why I don't know what my favorite performance of film is, because there is some inspiration to seek from in everything you see, like everything. With the floppest of the floppest films also you see, now you will think कि ठीक है चल ये अपन उठा सकते हैं, we can use it. So I've never been to any acting school. All that I learned was from the sets and my co-actors and the
That is
guidance
the
of my
best
director.
way.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying कि मैं कोई भी movie देखता हूँ ना, so I'm just adapting. I mean, getting inspired and I'm just taking it in, and then somehow somewhere the tweaks I can put in to just show. Okay.
You never did any acting workshop?
I did workshops. Like in my free time, my parents and people tell me that you shouldn't be idle. You should go and do something, some workshop or something, play or something. So I did. And play and theatre, I think, is the biggest blessing one actor can get. Because I did my first play with Mukesh Chabra at his Khidkiya wala festival. Dude, I don't know how, you feel so confident and so good about yourself that you have performed for an hour and a half straight. You have made people laugh and they got entertainment, and you actually made them believe that there is a story that you are saying. And the 30-day, 40-day rehearsal that got you here, and then you put it out there. It's such a satisfying feeling, and I die to do theatre, but I have really no idea of how to get into it. I really love theatre, bro. I have seen so many plays, and I feel theatre is far more tougher than camera acting.
Absolutely, I agree.
And camera acting is obviously something difficult, but
a different
you
craft.
get chances. Like you can mess up your line.
Yeah,
you can
you can
mess up
retake.
an emotion. You cannot feel that vibe during that scene. But with theatre, you can't miss out on a single thing.
It's live.
It's live, and you have to do it. There is no running away.
There's no retake.
There are no. Like I've seen people, get I've heard stories that people get anxiety attack on set. Okay, unse nahi ho raha hai, tough scene, or they take a break. You can't do that on set or on
Absolutely.
theatre stage. You have to perform, and I think that is such a beautiful thing. And I feel as a practice. And as a habit, one actor has to do it. Like I really feel bad that I don't, and I want to badly. Like I really, really want to. And once I start doing, I think it will only add up to my confidence. So I really want to do it, and I would urge any actor or aspiring actor to do it. The first thing you do is do that. That's what I feel.
Okay. You were telling about your the biggest brag about Gangs of Wasseypur.
There is a brag I must mention, and
It is.
brag.
Come
Guys.
on,
I
it's
don't
the
brag a
biggest
lot.
movie of all
I
time.
really don't brag. There's this film I was a part of, Gangs of Wasseypur. So I was playing Junior Sardar Khan in that, and Vicky Kaushal had assisted in that film. So I was a lazy kid. I still am a lazy kid. But I was sleeping in the room because I didn't have in my shot. So Vicky Kaushal came and he was like, so he used to do that. He used to, Vicky Kaushal, obviously you're an AD, so you do a lot of things that the
First
director
AD
tells you to.
yeah.
Yeah. So he used to come tell me, chalo shot ready hai. He used to play with me and all of that. And then later on, I swear to God, I had forgotten this until Uri happened, because I love watching interviews. So I was watching his interview and he said I was assisting during this.
Gangs of
And I
Wasseypur.
was eating and I slowly looked up and it hit me. Oh my God, it was that Vicky Kaushal. That Vicky wasn't a normal Vicky.
Dots connected.
It was Vicky Kaushal, bro.
Bro is casually hanging
Bro is
out with Vicky
casually
Kaushal, and then he realizes one day.
Yes, and this has happened with me so many times because I was a kid working then. There's one actor, Nadeem Khan. I did a play with him up recently, okay? Now, Nadeem sir knew he did an ad with me, but I had no memory of it. And we were working for 25 days in that workshop. Nothing happened. He never mentioned, I never mentioned, and I was actually like a little intimidated by him because he's so senior and he was actually, you know, owning that play. Like he knows the play from the beat of it. So I was taking guidance from him. And later on, after the play was over, everything is over, he texted me, तूने अब तक मुझे नहीं पहचाना? मैंने बोला है? तो वो बोलते एंकर की ऐड की थी अपन ने साथ में. मैं क्विकली यूट्यूब पे गया एंड दैट वाज माय ऐड विथ हिम, अ प्रॉपर कॉन्वर्सेशनल ऐड विथ हिम, एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड, आई वांट टू जंप ऑफ. हाउ डिड आई नॉट टेल हिम दैट वी हैव वर्क टुगेदर? एंड he knew it. And he knew it and I didn't. And that's why I say I'm dumb, guys. That's why I say I'm dumb. That's the simple reason why I say I'm dumb.
भाई ने इतने एक्टर्स के साथ काम कर लिया, he forgets.
And I was so shocked and I felt so bad कि यार मैं एक relatability factor तो होता है यार. I would have spoken to him because I was always intimidated by him. I didn't call him or you know. But उन्होंने मुझे सामने से बोला and I felt so guilty about it. मैं बोला कैसे मैं बुद्धि मम्मी आप कल से बादाम बढ़ाओ भाई. बादाम खा रहा हूँ कल. बस हो गया यार.
Like still, since we are almost wrapping up now.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on nepotism?
Nepotism.
Yeah.
यार, I don't know यार. I really don't know. See, nothing has happened to me because of nepotism. I don't want to blame anyone because they've not done any harm to me. And I haven't heard stories of them harming others. Like people do say, like big actors now say that, you know, the star kid was chosen over them or whatever. But I always feel ठीक है ना, like they will get chances, like they will get the initial push that any actor works for. They will get that push. And 1, 2, 3, 4 films, अगर उसमें आपने नहीं किया talent prove, तो people will know. We all know there are a few who aren't working that good, and there are a few who have inspired generations. Especially Ranbir Kapoor, if we talk about him.
Yeah, totally.
He is like perfect.
We're talking about him yesterday only.
That's what I'm saying. See, this is what happens when you come in an industry where people are working for talent, and people, you know, prove their talent more than anything. And once you befit in that role and once you befit in that category, I feel things will fall into place. And be it outsider, insider, iska bhatija, uska pota, nothing matters. Unless and until, you know, you are not talented, nothing matters. You have to be talented, you have to know your job. You can't be, you know, being the victim कि यार हमें तो इसके लिए नहीं मिलता ना क्योंकि उनको मिलता है. ऐसा नहीं है. मेरे को तो अब तक मिला है, मैंने तो कभी कंप्लेन नहीं किया, मैं कभी कर भी नहीं सकता हूँ. It will be so wrong on my half to complain about anything. So I always feel कि with me especially, like I have seen my own career grow without any support, without anyone. So you don't need a particular insider to help you. You can pave your own way. Like you have it, you can do it. So that's the long and short of it. I think nepotism doesn't actually matter. वो तो होता ही है यार, फैमिलीज तो होती है, वो तो यार कोई भी अपने बच्चे के लिए बेस्ट ही देखेगा. आई फील कोई भी अपने बच्चे के लिए बेस्ट देखेगा. लाइक हम मारवाड़ीज जो है, हमारे में मैं कितने लोगों को जानता हूँ कि जो अपने पापा के बिजनेस पे है, तो क्यों ना हो यार, उनके पापा का ही तो बिजनेस है वो. तो अच्छा, अगर वो बात अलग है कि अगर वो पापा के बिजनेस पे कोई पोटेंशियल आदमी आ सकता है और फिर अगर उसका सन बैठ के हु इज नॉट वर्किंग एज हार्ड और एज बेटर एज द अदर, देन दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. That is the problem that can be addressed. Rest, there is no problem. I feel there is no problem.
Since अभी you have worked with a lot of actors, इतनी movies कर ली, थोड़ा fame मिल गया, पैसा वैसा सब आ गया, तो like कुछ ऐसा dating experience आया उसके बाद life में?
Dating तो मतलब
how like girls started hitting on you?
नहीं रे,
क्रश ने respond नहीं करा.
क्रश ने किया respond नहीं, क्रश ने किया respond. So क्रश का response तो आया और मतलब कैसा मैं हाँ, that's a good pickup line to use for my crush. कि that's where we start from, crush. तो सीन ये है कि ऐसे कोई गर्ल अटेंशन आया नहीं है. आया होता, आई एम वेरी शाय. मेरी फट जाती है ऑनेस्टली. तो आया भी होगा तो मुझे नहीं पता. ऐसा सीन है कि मुझे अगर दोस्तों ने बोला होगा कि इसका है थोड़ा टूवर्ड्स यू, तो हम लोग है सच में यार, नहीं यार मम्मी क्या बोलेगी. So that, but I like someone. So yeah, that's.
Are you dating right now?
matlab, I don't know.
Every 22-year-old
yeah.
right now.
Well, anyway, wrapping this.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah,
personally.
it's okay. Yeah.
Wrapping this up, what would you tell your younger self?
Well, one advice you will
One
give to
advice.
yourself.
One advice to my younger self is that click a lot of pictures with the actors you've worked. Because
remember
you've
you did
clicked.
an ad.
I'm not lying that you haven't, but you have to click. You have to not misplace your phone and lose it when you have other actors' ka number and now you don't.
Oh shit.
Oh shit,
bro.
That's what you have to do. And second, I had a very cool bat that I've lost in my childhood. And that's a
Mankuli.
limited edition MRF bat with Virat Kohli's sign.
Oh.
And I've lost it. So I want to slap my younger self for that. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say. Rest, my younger self has got me here.
mixed
So
fruit.
I love my younger self, and yeah, that's about it.
Thank you so much for
Thank
doing
you so
this.
much.
Yeah,
Thank
you're a wonderful actor and person.
Yeah,
we really
totally.
love the
Very
vibe of this
genuine.
podcast.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
genuinely.
Thank you so much.
We'll
Yeah.
do a movie together for
100%.
I will
Brother's
write,
gonna
he will
make-
direct, and you will
Perfect.
act.
Let's do it.
100%.
Let's do it for sure. In this studio, let's just manifest it's happening.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it will happen.
You will
100%.
see a movie real soon.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you so
Please
much.
like, share, subscribe, and
Yeah.
do check out Naman's Instagram
Yes.
And movies.
and movies.
Yes.
And
He'll see you at the movies.
Yeah.
I'll see you at the movies. That's my WhatsApp status.
and we will see you
at the movies.
at the next podcast.
Yep.
Yes.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.